It is easy to create off-canvas templates for the Prime Slider plugin. You can use these templates in any off-canvas menu in the slider provided by Prime Slider. Let's see how you can do it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Template section. There, click on the Add New button, select Section Type Template, and give a name. Then click the Continue button to create. You will be redirected to a new editor page. Then create a new section. We made our section small for convenience. For the template, we used Image Icon List, the divider widget, and the social share. Please make yours as you like. Once done, go to the slider page to insert the template. On the General slider, go to Content tab, then Header, and click on the Off-Canvas option. You'll see the option Select Source a little below. Click it and choose Elementor template. Then from the option right below, select your template. see it in the preview mode. Of course, change the background color into something suitable or light to see the brightness and contrast. Please like and subscribe this video and stay with us. Thanks for watching.